Want to know how to check channel ID on Telegram? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to check channel ID on Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your screen. Now open any channel. Here you can see the channel ID is not provided. Now to check the channel ID on Telegram, go back to your home page and tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here search for ID bot. Tap on the first search result and tap start. Likewise, here you can see your personal ID number, but in order to check the channel ID on Telegram, you would want to click on the square icon. Here you can see the channel option, tap on it. Then select the channel you want to check the channel ID. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the send button to confirm your decision. Finally, you will be provided with the channel ID. So this is how to check channel ID on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.